अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकॉन पर प्रेस करके हमारे आने वाले वीडियो से अपडेट रहिए।
Hi, how are you today?
I am good, thanks for asking. How about you?
I am doing well, thanks. What have you been up to lately?
Just working and running some errands. How about you?
Same here, work has been busy. But I did manage to go for a walk in the park this morning.
That's great. I love going for walks in the park. It's a good way to start the day.
Definitely. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, but I was thinking of going to the museum. I love learning about history and art.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I love visiting museums too. Do you have a favorite one?
Yes, the National Gallery of Modern Art in Mumbai is my favorite. Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't been to Mumbai yet. But I would love to visit there someday.
You should definitely go. There is so much to see and do there.
हाय, अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन पर क्लिक कीजिए। अगर आप हमसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप कीजिए। अगर आप हमारे आने वाले लेटेस्ट वीडियो से अपडेट रहना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।